First of all, I'd like to say welcome to our training area. So today you had the opportunity to see the dynamic show, and Gerd and myself, we are responsible for the land turret system. I'm coming from the sales side, whereas Gerd, he is responsible for all the technique of the turret. So the turret is a manned turret developed by Rheinmetall, and over the last 2 years the turret was in a couple of trials in Australia. The Australian forces are looking for a reconnaissance vehicle for their troops. So roughly 200 vehicles they are planning to buy. And our system, participating in the trials of the last 2 years, was down selected, and we are expecting the decision of the Australian forces beginning of 2018. So we are very excited about it, and we are sure we have a really excellent system for the Australian forces.
The turret, as it was mentioned, is a manned turret. It's a bit different to the turret we have on the IFE Puma. We have the possibility to reload the weapon under protection with closed hatches and everything for both a machine cannon and machine gun. The cannon itself is a 30mm Rheinmetall gun with airburst ammunition programming device on the front of the muzzle. The normal range is 3,000 meters, and you can elevate the cannon to 45 degrees, so you can also attack or fight against helicopters. We have here FN Hörstal MAG 58 machine gun. On the left hand side you can see the main sensor for the turret, the main optronics for the gunner. We have a high quality day-side camera and a cooled thermal imager, a laser rangefinder in. Above you can see a module with 3 cameras having a 180 degrees view to give situational awareness around. On the right hand side of the turret we have a 180 degrees thermal imager, uncooled, and a laser warning system above. Another sensor is what is called ASLS. It's acoustic shooter locating system. This is several microphones in a special box which are able to detect the supersonic sound of the bullet flying along, and the muzzle sound, the muzzle blast of the gun, to detect a shooter in the distance and the range. What you can see here is a ROSI smoke grenade launcher system. We have on both sides 8 cartridges for smoke grenade launching. Here we have the main sensor for the commander. It's same time as for the gunner, with a day-side camera, laser rangefinder, and a cooled thermal imager.
Here we see a Boxer with a lens turret for this presentation. At the moment we produce the vehicle for the Germans, for the Lithuanians, and for the Netherlands are contracted. We are in competition in Australia and had interested from the UK also. Our big advantage is the modularity of the mission module kits and of the protection also. On this vehicle we can add on different types of protections. A light protection, which is for more logistical options, and we can get more steps up to really tactical missions with bigger threats of up to medium caliber weapons, bigger mines, and so on. At Krone, on this protection level, we can bring an active protection system for RPGs or ATGMs. Here you see the drive unit, which implements all things like steering, brake, fuel, which is going here, and you see here this is a card which is a mission module, and you can design every mission module for every mission what you want. You had command posts, you had ambulance, you had APCs, you can implement infantry fighting vehicles, you can implement mortars, and the big advantage is the drive module is always the same, but your mission module is modular. You can put everything on what you like on. Here you see the mission module inside. You come in about a hydraulic door with an emergency door inside, which is very easy to dismount in a short period of time for the soldiers. Now I'm sitting on a soldier seat for eight soldiers. The equipment is stored behind the seats, which is easy to take out. Also, you can store a lot of things under the turret. And here you see the position that you can go into the turret for the gunner. When you are on track with the vehicle on the move, you put your feet on this position and you have mine protection against big threats of mines. We had a communication here, an Intercom System from Greek, which is 2 soldiers use one intercom. Everybody has the option to get in communication and get his orders right, that he is possible to do his mission.